Number 1. 1988 Ford F150 Classic Truck, $5,000, Austin, Texas. This 1988 Ford F150 represents the final years of Ford's 8th-generation pickups, known for durability and straightforward design. It is equipped with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine and a manual transmission. The truck shows normal age-related wear but remains presentable, featuring a white exterior and red interior. The body and paint indicate consistent basic care. Although it ran recently, it currently has a starting issue and is offered as an as-is mechanical project. With attention, it could serve as a dependable classic driver or light restoration candidate. Number 2. 1966 Ford F100 Straight 6, $12,000, El Paso, Texas. This 1966 Ford F100 is a solid example of the 4th-generation Ford pickup. Powered by a 240 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine, paired with a manual transmission, it delivers proven reliability and usable torque. The orange exterior adds period-correct character, and the clean title reflects responsible ownership. This truck is well suited for collectors seeking originality, simplicity, and classic drivability. Number 3. 1987 Ford F250 XLT Lariat 6.9 Diesel, $5,000, Albuquerque, Four Hills, New Mexico. This 1987 Ford F250 XLT Lariat is powered by the durable 6.9-liter International Harvester diesel engine known for longevity. It features an extended cab, 4-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive. Equipment includes bucket seats, brush guard, receiver hitch, gooseneck setup, and a custom vegetable oil fuel system. Running and driving, this truck offers excellent value as a vintage diesel work vehicle. Number 4. 1967 Ford F100 Shortbed Restomod, $13,800, Corona, California. This 1967 Ford F100 Shortbed combines classic styling with modern mechanical upgrades. Built on a 2009 Crown Victoria chassis and powered by a 4.6-liter engine, it benefits from improved suspension, braking, and road manners. Comfort features include air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, and power brakes. Finished with a patina exterior, it delivers strong street appeal rather than show-level presentation. Number 5. 1983 Chevrolet C10, $5,000, Chandler, Arizona. This 1983 Chevrolet C10 is a desirable square-body pickup with excellent aftermarket support. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and runs and drives very well. Its Arizona history has helped preserve a rust-free body and frame. While the air conditioning requires attention, this truck is a strong candidate for daily driving or restoration and carries a clean title. Number 6. 1977 Ford F350 Camper Special, $11,500, Washington. This 1977 Ford F350 Camper Special is a well-preserved survivor featuring matching numbers and documented history. Powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 and C6 automatic transmission, it offers substantial towing capability. As a garaged second-owner truck that has undergone mechanical restoration, it stands out as a rare heavy-duty classic suited for collectors or camper enthusiasts. Number 7. 1973 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe, $12,500, Vacaville, California. This 1973 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe has been upgraded for improved reliability and comfort. It features a Goodwrench 350 crate engine with Holley Sniper fuel injection and an automatic transmission. Additional updates include complete rewiring, air conditioning, modern audio, LED lighting, and new wheels. While the paint is driver quality, the mechanical upgrades make this a turnkey classic. Number 8. 1972 Ford F100 half-ton short bed, $11,500, Phoenix, Arizona. This 1972 Ford F100 short bed is a highly original two-owner truck with strong documentation. Powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission with a granny low gear, it reflects traditional Ford engineering. Parked since 2005, it still starts and runs and retains many original components. Despite an odometer issue, it is an excellent candidate for preservation or restoration. Number 9. 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne K20 four-wheel drive, $12,500, Severance, Colorado. This 1975 Chevrolet Cheyenne K20 is a capable four-wheel drive square-body pickup with extensive recent mechanical updates. It features a new Goodwrench 350 crate engine and a rebuilt automatic transmission with low mileage. Additional upgrades improve overall reliability. With minimal rust and solid presentation, it offers strong value as a driver or off-road build. Number 10. 1979 Ford F350 utility truck, $4,500, Minden, Nevada. This 1979 Ford F350 utility truck combines classic styling with practical functionality. Powered by a gasoline V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs well and includes equipment such as a welder, air compressor, and tools. With a clean title and solid overall condition, it is well suited for collectors or buyers seeking a functional vintage work truck. Number 11. 1942 Ford half-ton short bed, 2,250 near Albuquerque, New Mexico. This 1942 Ford half-ton short bed is a rare pre-war truck, made more significant by World War II production interruptions. Offered without an engine or transmission, it is a complete restoration project. The uncut body and remnants of original paint enhance its historical value, making it appealing to collectors and restorers. Number 12. 1977 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed, $4,500, Farmington, New Mexico. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 is a genuine factory shortbed truck, adding to its desirability. Powered by a 305 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it runs and drives. The cab is solid, though the front fenders and doors require replacement. Equipped with tilt steering and a clean New Mexico title, it presents an affordable project with strong potential. Number 13. 1997 Chevrolet K1500, $800, Pollock Pines, California. This 1997 Chevrolet K1500 is priced accordingly due to transmission issues affecting third and fourth gears. The engine remains strong, and the truck includes extra parts along with a clean title. With four-wheel drive, it is best suited as a parts donor, off-road build, or mechanical project. Number 14. 1974 Ford F100 two-wheel drive, $7,950, Santa Clara, California. This 1974 Ford F100 long bed is a solid survivor with original documentation dating back to 1975. Powered by a 390 cubic inch FEV8 and a C6 automatic transmission, it runs but requires rear differential repairs. Features include power steering, front disc brakes, minimal rust, and California smog exemption. It offers a strong foundation for restoration or refurbishment.